In global finance and industry, few names carry the weight of a dynasty like Sawiris. Nassef Sawiris, born in 1961, is the youngest son of Nassef Sawiris, founder of the Orascom Group, an empire built on construction and resilience. The family business was nationalized in the 1960s, but Nassef rebuilt from scratch, teaching his sons the value of perseverance. Nassef grew up immersed in business strategy, learning that legacy is built, not inherited. He earned an economics degree from the University of Chicago, preparing to bridge Egyptian industry with global markets. Each Sawiris brother carved out a niche, Naguib in telecom, Sami in tourism, and Nassef in construction. Nassef returned to Egypt ready to lead the family's core business into a new era. His mission, not just to preserve his father's work, but to elevate it on a global stage. For Nassef, joining the company meant accepting the mantle of leadership and the responsibility to expand the family legacy. Nassef began his career at Orascom Construction in 1982, learning the business from the ground up. He mastered supply chains, labor management, and the complexities of large-scale projects. By the 1990s, he was shaping the group's strategy, focusing on expanding construction and cement beyond Egypt. In 1998, he became CEO of Orascom Construction Industries, driving its transformation into an international powerhouse. Nassef's leadership was bold and analytical, pushing the company into new markets across the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Political upheaval, like the 2011 Egyptian Revolution, brought challenges, including a tax dispute and travel ban. Instead of retreating, Nassef pivoted, diversifying internationally and restructuring the business. This period of turbulence became a catalyst for global expansion. His resilience and strategic vision set the stage for the next phase of growth. The Egyptian Revolution and tax dispute pushed Nassef to rethink his empire. In 2015, he split Orascom Construction Industries into two public companies. Orascom Construction and OCI NV. Orascom Construction focused on engineering in the Middle East, while OCI NV became a global fertilizer and chemicals giant. Nassef moved OCI NV's listing to Amsterdam, tapping into European capital markets and a broader investor base. Under his leadership, OCI NV became one of the world's largest producers of nitrogen fertilizers and methanol, with major plants in Texas and Iowa. His philosophy: "We are builders, not holders." He optimized assets, buying, selling, and restructuring to maximize value. In 2023, he launched a strategic review selling major assets including a fertilizer plant and a stake in a Middle Eastern producer for billions in cash. He sold OCI's methanol business to Methanex, making OCI a major shareholder and ensuring ongoing value. Nassef's approach: build, optimize, reposition, constantly adapting to global markets. His unsentimental, pragmatic style is the hallmark of his success. Each move reinforced his reputation as a master architect of a global conglomerate. Nassef's empire was now truly international, diversified, and resilient. Today, Nassef Sawiris' investments span continents and industries, managed through his family office, NNS Group, now based in Abu Dhabi. He holds a significant stake in Adidas, becoming an influential shareholder in the global sportswear giant. In 2018, he acquired a majority stake in Aston Villa, reviving the English football club and applying his business principles to sports. His sports portfolio also includes a stake in Vitória Setúbal and Madison Square Garden Sports, owner of the New York Knicks and Rangers. These are not just passion projects, they're strategic investments in global brands with massive appeal. Sawiris' portfolio reflects his adaptability and belief in the power of diversification. From construction to consumer brands and sports, he's built a resilient, multifaceted empire. Nassef Sawiris' fortune, over $8.70 billion, was built on a series of bold, well-timed deals. In 2008, he sold Orascom's cement division to Lafarge for $12.8 billion, just before the global financial crisis. This move generated massive capital and showed his willingness to sell core assets at the right moment. In 2023, he sold OCI's stake in Fertiglobe and a fertilizer plant in Iowa, raising over $7 billion. His 2024 sale of OCI's methanol business to Methanex was structured for both cash and equity, ensuring future upside. Sawiris' deals are marked by strategic timing and sophisticated structures. He doesn't just exit markets, he transforms his position within them. His approach: create value, unlock capital, and always look for the next opportunity. Nassef Sawiris' career offers powerful lessons for investors and entrepreneurs. Adaptability is key. He pivots, restructures, and sells when market dynamics shift, never clinging to assets for sentiment's sake. Strategic diversification is another pillar. His portfolio spans industries and continents, insulating his wealth from regional risks. Hard work and deep industry knowledge underpin his success. He earned his leadership by mastering the business from the ground up. His mantra attitude and work ethic trump talent. Sawiris also leverages modern financial tools like SPACs and optimizes his company's locations for tax and legal advantages. For investors, the takeaway is clear: diversify, adapt, and structure your affairs for efficiency and growth. True success is built on diligence, expertise, and relentless drive. Sawiris' story is a blueprint for building resilient generational wealth. Beyond business, Nassef Sawiris is shaping his legacy through philanthropy, especially in education. The Sawiris Foundation and NNS Foundation are among Egypt's largest private donors, investing in jobs, healthcare, and leadership development. The Nassef Sawiris Scholarship Program has sent top Egyptian students to elite U.S. universities for over 2 decades, with a requirement to return and contribute to Egypt. In 2024, the family made the largest ever gift to the American University in Cairo, leading to the naming of the Nassef Sawiris School of Business. This endowment funds scholarships, research, and innovation, ensuring future Egyptian leaders have world-class opportunities at home. Nassef's legacy is defined by vision, adaptability, and a commitment to empowering others. His most enduring impact may be the opportunities he creates for future generations to build a better Egypt.